And hurricane season begins June 1st, and it's never too early to start preparing and getting plans in place for protecting your family, friends, home, and of course your pets. The Florida Division of Emergency Management has a section on their website full of tips on how you can get ready for the upcoming storm season. Some of the resources include what kind of precautions to take when protecting your home, a disaster supply kit checklist, and suggestions on how you should plan for your pet's safety. To see more of the tips from the Florida Division of Emergency Management, start with our website, mypanhandle.com. A local